Well, serious, like I say on Thursday, Otumfuo'S to MET Kotoko players, the communication was that after Kumasi Asante Kotoko next Samate's game, Ebasuria, which was Monday, Kotoko players, Ebesign Akomensia. At this time, I could share Otumfuo'S to now we engage you more individually. Yes, now quite unfortunately, meeting ama so enranka meeting ba so anka ho popoye ne update nke ye de bro e wo fia ena no pay anase enra no but meeting ama so ye die ntia meeting ama so yensa ka details kakra ye de bro e wo efia mpacha wa ha ye super 24 TV wadarma ota ba unya subscribe ya na wa join the moving train na wa subscribe na you move it together what you say information we are say to na was the bro follow social media handles no so Facebook ni super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi Blogman, TikTok no Blogman 24 mentan ko but a manager how about so TikTok no manage me be wo so now yanko Kumasi Asante Kotoko on 7th Street away na edi manage ya cry nya adwuma Kotoko team no was scheduled to meet Otumfuo again, but unfortunately meeting so a simple reason say the fact is Otumfuo 25th anniversary Basso as I say preparation are very near now. Which was Monday, and Hema who do more Santimantemo no echo Otumfuo'S to him fear echo show the display of culinary skills, the display of cooking dexterity, some the cultural foods near there. And quite apart from that, there were so many visitors and backdoor omofa bechia menshia abetia Otumfuo same like say Otumfuo ohono aye very 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 tight because of the 25th anniversary basically there are so many engagement, and 25th of April there's a big program coming into Nekoba say oh yes no meeting you be different day and I say be different form near engage players separately and also any update in kind. Now Dreams FC about Drugana, as you can see players and a screen so but me tete news we want to say Dreams FC ne Zamalek na ye one semi-final of the Confederation Cup and USM OGS for and RS Berkane for and so yet another semi-final but sa USM OGS ne RS Berkane game na ama so because of Mansotwe JC Hwan and Sembi na in case say metete say sa yes kwasi omu game na wan ha Zamalek any Dreams FC ebekwa akọbọ final straight away. Hey, can news be brutal but updates be aba ye be update if you have for